Hey there! I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log into WorkChain. Whether you are a new user or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Follow along step by step and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. Open your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome and let's type in our URL. It's WorkChain login. So this is usually provided by your employer or organization. So let's hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official login page. So let's tap into the official site over here. This will take you to the WorkChain site. And at the very top, you can see various options that says register in the orange button. And right beside that, there in the blue lettering, you can see login option. So since we are going to log in, let's tap into that. And now, you'll be directed to the Work Coach login page. Here, you'll need to enter your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials provided by your employer. And the password, of course. So once you've entered your username and password, click on the login button. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap into the forgotten your password option right here. And in case you are a new user and you need to create an account or register for work, let's tap into this. So since we are only going to log in, let's tap into the login button and congratulations, you've successfully logged into Work Coach. Now you have access to all the tools and resources you need to excel in your work. There you have it. Logging into Work Coach is as easy as following these simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.